Gavana wa gatuzi la Isiolo Guyo alitumia sherehe za Madaraka katika eneo la Oldonyiro kuelezea yale serikali yake imetekeleza. Gavana Guyo akijivunia uchimbaji wa visima, kuinua viwango vya afya sawa na elimu ya chekechea, huku akitangaza kuongezwa kwa mgao wa Bursary kutoka shilingi milioni 70 hadi milioni 100 katika mwaka wa kifedha 2025-2026.
Today we come together to celebrate Madaraka Day, a historic milestone when Kenya gained the right to self-govern. We remember and honor the men and women who fought tirelessly for our freedom, whose sacrifices made possible the democratic space and devolved governance we now enjoy. Isiolo County has made significant strides under devolution. Our progress is a direct result of the empowerment brought by our constitution, which gave birth to county government designed to bring services closer to the people. To uphold the true spirit of inclusivity and equity, this year's celebrations are being held in Oldonyiro sub-county, a region has long been underserved. This decision demonstrates a strong commitment to equitable development and recognition of all communities across Isiolo County. The journey continues to ensure every resident feels the benefit of self-governance. Ladies and gentlemen, in the course of the past 2.5 years, our administration has made substantial progress. I would now like to take this moment to outline some of our major accomplishments. Water is a fundamental necessity in human life, essential for both domestic use and production. In line with my manifesto and as outlined in our 2023-2027 CIDP, my administration prioritizes the provision of clean, safe, and sustainable water and sanitation service for the residents of Isiolo. Over the past 2 years, my government has fully funded the drilling of 52 boreholes. I want to repeat, the drilling of 52 boreholes, and collaborated with several development partners to drill and equip 16 additional boreholes, bringing the total to 68 boreholes. It has never been done since Kenya got its independence. Allow me to also clearly state, out of these 68 boreholes, 32 are complete and operational, while drilling for 27 is still ongoing. Unfortunately, 8 are non-operational due to low water yield. Some of these boreholes are located in Oldonyiro sub-county, including Lowai, Sieku, Lengurma, and Lebarsheki boreholes. Additionally, we have recently advertised for the construction of critical water supply infrastructure in Madaraka, a project that will bring clean and reliable water to residents for the first time in 60 years. To address water access challenges in the Dachbasa, we have also advertised the laying of 10-kilometer high-density polythene pipeline that will supply clean and safe water to that area. Plans are also currently in advanced stage to construct 4 water pans in Madaraka, Kulamawe, Sericho, and Cherabwords. These water pans will support water harvesting and storage to benefit both livestock and crop farming. All these initiatives reflect my unwavering commitment to achieving universal access to potable water for every resident of Isiolo County by the year 2027. My county people, on healthcare services, I'm happy to report that we are currently undertaking a comprehensive facelift of Isiolo County Teaching and Referral Hospital. This project encompasses plumbing works, painting, and other critical infrastructure improvement. To fully operationalize our new accident and emergency center at Isiolo County Teaching Referral Hospital, we are closely working with the national government to equip it with the necessary tools and equipment. To improve access to essential healthcare service for the residents in these remote areas, we have constructed the Parkook dispensary, which is now operational, and the Lengurma maternity wing here in Oldonyiro. Additionally, we have established a fully functional eye unit at Garabatula Level 4 Hospital. where over 200 cataract surgeries have already been successfully performed. We are also revamping the main theater at Isiolo County Teaching Referral Hospital through modernization and re-equipping. Furthermore, we are in the process of supplying the hospital with new beds and establishing a dedicated cardiology clinic to enhance specialized care. To address rampant shortage of patient evacuation and hospital referral transportation, my administration is in the process of procuring new state-of-art ambulances. We have also undertaken service repairs for 5 ambulances that are now up and running. These steps reflect our steadfast commitment to providing efficient and timely medical emergency response. Noteworthy, in our county, like in many other counties in Kenya, the elderly are often neglected. To address this, the Isiolo County government will provide social health medical insurance for 10,000 elderly persons and other disadvantaged members of our communities. Distinguished guests, Isiolo County proudly embraces its rich pastoral heritage, with nearly 80% of residents relying on livestock for their livelihood. To maximize benefits for smallholder livestock farmers, the county government is finalizing the selection of a private investor to operate and manage Isiolo Export Abattoir. This strategic partnership is expected to strengthen the livestock value chain and drive economic prosperity for Isiolo people. To enhance food security and mitigate the effect of climate change, the county has established and operationalized Gabaya and Tiole irrigation farms in Kina Ward and rehabilitated the Elsa interim irrigation scheme in Burat Ward. These schemes now provide reliable water access for year-round farming, reducing dependency on rain-fed agriculture. In addition, the county has developed pasture plot in Dololo, Sericho, Kina Ward, and Mujuro in Garbatula to support sustainable fodder productions. Hay sheds have been completed in Dololo, Sericho, Kina Ward, Bulesa, Kayo, with a third under construction in Tepes, Oldonyiro sub-county. These interventions are designed to rehabilitate rangeland and promote climate-resilient livestock production. My administration remains firmly committed to promoting gender equity and social protection for all residents of Isiolo. This commitment is reflected in the development and operationalization of the Isiolo County Social Protection Policy 2023. In addition, the Isiolo County Child Protection Policy 2025 and FGM Policy 2025 are at advanced stages. Notably, Isiolo is proud to be among the first 2 counties in Kenya to develop a dedicated child protection policy. Empowerment remains central to our approach. In collaboration with Girl Generation Africa-led movement, we are funding grassroots efforts to eliminate female genital mutilation in Kina, Burat, and Oldonyiro wards. Additionally, through our partnership with Plan International, we have launched a project to combat gender-based violence and raise awarenesses at community level. To enhance social cohesion and public engagement, we constructed 2 modern social halls in Oldonyiro and Garbatura during the 2023-2024 financial year. We also renovated and equipped Garbatula and Merti Social Hall. These spaces will be used to host an annual cultural festival, fostering unity and showcasing talents in comedy, music, and dance as emerging economic opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, pending bills have significantly impacted small and medium enterprises in Isiolo County, causing reduced liquidity, rising bankruptcy cases, and in some instances, business closure. To address this challenge, my administration established the County Pending Bill Verification Task Force to verify the legitimacy of all claims. Following thorough scrutiny, I'm pleased to report that from 1.2 billion in verified pending bills, my government has already settled 600 million. In our commitment to maintaining economic momentum and protecting SME livelihood, we have put in place plans to progressively clear the remaining 600 million, while carefully balancing these payments with our ongoing critical development priorities. In education is a cornerstone of development, and my administration is committed to reversing the high illiteracy rate of 67% in Isiolo. To increase access to learning, we plan to raise the Bursary fund from 70 million to 100 million in 2025-2026 financial year, pending approval from the national government. This will benefit students in high school, colleges, universities, and other institutions. Over the past 2 years, we've strengthened early childhood development and education by employing 38 ECD teachers on permanent and pensionable basis, achieving an impressive ratio of 140 teacher-student ratio across 178 ECD centers, a benchmark few counties have met. To tackle child malnutrition, which hinders ECD's enrollment and performance, we are providing fortified porridge to 15,000 preschool children, resulting in improved attendance, retention, and transition. Additionally, the Isiolo County ECD 2024 is nearing completion, and it will establish a dedicated fund for sustainable ECD financing. To strengthen vocational education and training, we have increased the number of instructors from 3 to 21 and facilitated the training of the new competency-based education and training curriculum. Enrollment across all vocational training centers in Isiolo County have increased from 206 to 566 in 2025. This remarkable growth is attributed to the increase in staffing level from 3 to 21. The county government commitments to improving facility, providing modern equipment, and the declaration of free training of youth as initiative strongly championed by this administration. We have also introduced a new course in solar PV installation at Uhuru Vocational Training Center. Construction of a new vocational training in Kina is underway, with administration block already completed and classroom construction set to begin before the end of this financial year. Uhuru Vocational Training has further benefited from 10 million Safaricom funded project that will see the construction of electrical workshop, welding workshop, project that will see the construction of electrical workshop, welding workshop, administration block, and provision of essential equipment. Further, we have also disbursed capital for totaling 4.3 million to the vocational training institution in Isiolo. I encourage our youth from this region and across the entire county to take advantage of free training opportunity and enroll in our vocational training center, where they can gain valuable skills for self-reliance and meaningful employment. In matters land ownership has long been a contentious issue in our county. And to address this, my administration issued 1,192 allotment letters for parcel of land in Kulamawe, Kiwanjani, Kambi Bule, Tuluroba, and Kambi Garba in Isiolo sub-county, while also completing Garbatula land adjudication in collaboration with the National Land Commission. In line with our draft spatial plan, we have further developed a comprehensive local physical land use development plan for Oldonyiro Township, with support from partners include Ways Academy, save the elephant and the grey zebra to secure land rights and orderly development in Oldonyiro. On infrastructure, my administration has prioritized road upgrade, including ongoing bitumen standard, upgraded of 1.5 kilometer Kachewa Olajarole Makaburini Road in Bulabesa Ward, maraming of 9.5 kilometer Shambani Alamach Road in Burat, and construction of Kamuri Box Bridge in Bulabesa, as well as Maendeleo and Chumvi Bridge in Garamara. We have also opened access road within Oldonyiro Township to improve connectivity and facilitate service delivery with additional road rehabilitation plans across all wards.
Nikiripotia Kamachu TV kutoka eneo la Oldonyiro, langu jina Kamachu.